The kittens are with their cool uncle, Thunder. They are obsessed with him. They just want to be near him at all times. And Thunder is always asking to come near them as well. He's so cute. He's such a good babysitter. I don't know why, but they are just in love with him. They always want to play with him. They think he's so fun. They're so sweet. And he's so good with them. I used to think that intact males would be rough with kittens, and especially if it wasn't their own. But he is amazing with them. And I don't know what kind of bond they have, but he loves them, they love him, and it is just so special.